High five.
Oh, you about scared me. Hold on, I gotta get a video. Oh, sorry, your video. I apologize. Hold on. Go for it. For the win.
A tackle fest in the barn.
Oh man, that's a great one. You know what?
Oh, you still filming?
Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed that. Daniel,
Yes, sir.
what's your channel again? Let everybody know.
Oh, okay. It's Red Beard Racing 72.
Yeah. Coming to No Name. Wait, oh, I can't see your car because my lame Magnum is covering your awesome Charger. But the chicken. Fantastic.
It's a cockfest.
Oh no. Wait. What about Anna though?
She got bigger than you, so.
Yeah, that's true. She does. Yeah, that's fair. Hellcat Charger. Oh God. Redbeard Racing. Here we go. We're going to get all kinds of stupid. Oh, God dang. This some bitch is still loose. Oh, God. Don't get this.
Oh no, it's not a cop.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, look at that smoke.
See this? The tire marks.
God dang.
Start here.
Yeah, this thing was loose the whole way out.
Yeah, I say, without traction control, it's pretty much pointless.
Look how deep. Yeah, that might go through a set of tires pretty quick.
Yes, it does.
That is crazy.
It moves.
That's got a lot of power.
Got a lot of torque.
Huh. You gotta take this thing down another day.
Burnout contest.
Yeah.
Just do a little roller here. Ready?
Yep. That's funny.
Isn't that a blast?
Yeah.
I know. I'm an old school Hemi guy.
That is crazy.
Something about just getting in the turnkey car and just AC on.
Yeah, AC, dude. How do they get that much power?
That
This
fun?
car's probably 4,000 pounds there.
Yeah, something like that.
Oh, God. This is rough.
Yeah, I better stop. I can't afford the tires anymore. I might have to rotate the tires at your house.
Oh, God. That's crazy.
It's the tire boiler. We're good. Please subscribe. Help me pay for my tires.
Look at the smoke.
Just lingers.
That is nutso. Nutso, nutso.
What a ride, right? Oh, that was funny watching this tires pick up all the rocks.
Yeah.
How was it, Dad?
I don't know how they get that much power. Wow.
Oh,
That puts the old Charger to shame. New Charger, old Charger.
I like that wide body. That is freaking cool.
Ain't that crazy?
I like that. I like that color. What is that color?
I don't remember, but it's purple at night and blue in the day.
I
It's
dig
purple,
that.
Purple at night.
Wide wheels all the way around.
That thing never did stop spinning.
I know, I was impressed. I missed the clip where stop there at burn tires all the way out.
Go look at the black lines.
Oh, yeah, well, but at the front, yeah.
Yeah, so if you go that way, you're there
Yeah.
as far as your camera can see.
That is
Black,
impressive.
Dark black, and then you always thought you saw a cop.
Yeah,
There's a car parked on the edge of the road down there. I'm like, oh no.
Oh, that's fantastic. Do you have fun?
That
Perfect.
was fun.
It's a good way to start a Friday.
Oh, yeah. I like that wide body. That is pretty cool.
Ain't that crazy?
I like that color. What is that color?
I don't remember, but it's purple at night and blue in the day. Like, it's purple at night.
Wide wheels all the way around.
That thing never did stop spinning.
I know, I was impressed. I missed the clip where stop there at burn tires all the way out.
You go look at the
So, yeah. They go for a little ways. Just a little ways. Let's see, that's where we about end, and then we just Yeah.